Is this the most exciting SUV on the market? Not even close. But after spending time with the 2025 Volkswagen Tayron R-Line, I'm convinced it might be one of the smartest family vehicles you can buy today. Let me tell you why this 7-seater deserves your attention. Volkswagen has replaced the Tiguan Allspace with something that looks familiar but feels entirely more refined. The Tayron takes everything that worked about its predecessor and elevates it with thoughtful improvements. The first thing you notice is its commanding presence. At nearly 4.8 meters long, the Tayron R-Line sits confidently on its 20-inch wheels. The full-width light bars front and rear are pure Volkswagen design language, but the Tayron has a more squared-off roofline that maximizes interior space without looking boxy. Under the hood, the R-Line packs a punch with its 2-liter TSI engine producing 261 horsepower. 0 to 62 happens in just 6.1 seconds, which is impressive for a vehicle this size. The 7-speed DSG transmission shifts smoothly, and the standard all-wheel drive provides confident handling in all conditions. But what truly sets the Tayron apart is its ride quality. The adaptive suspension is nothing short of excellent. Volkswagen claims they've reduced cabin noise by 5 decibels, and I believe it. Even at highway speeds, this is one quiet SUV. Inside is where the Tayron really shines. The R-Line greets you with a massive 15-inch touchscreen that, unlike previous Volkswagen systems, is actually intuitive to use. The digital cockpit display is crisp and customizable, while physical controls for volume and drive modes add welcome tactility. The materials throughout feel premium, with soft-touch surfaces and open-pore wood trim. The driving position is spot on, providing excellent visibility and comfort for long journeys. Now let's talk space, because that's why you're considering a 7-seater in the first place. The second row is genuinely spacious, with seats that slide, recline, and split 40/20/40. USB ports keep devices charged, and there's even a clever armrest that doubles as a tablet stand. The third row is best suited for kids or smaller adults on shorter trips, but that's true of most vehicles in this class. Fold those seats flat, and you get a massive 850 liters of cargo space. That's enough for multiple suitcases or a serious Costco run. At around 48,000 pounds for the R-Line trim, the Tayron isn't cheap. But considering the technology packed in, including Volkswagen's semi-autonomous travel assist, a head-up display, and adaptive LED headlights, it represents solid value against rivals like the Peugeot 5008 or Hyundai Santa Fe. Fuel economy is respectable for the size, though company car drivers might prefer one of the plug-in hybrid versions with their impressive 70-mile electric range and low tax benefits. So what's the verdict? The Tayron R-Line isn't going to set your pulse racing on a mountain road. The steering lacks feedback and the chassis prioritizes comfort over cornering prowess. But that's missing the point. This is a vehicle designed to make family life easier and more comfortable. It's quiet, spacious, refined, and packed with useful technology that actually works. The Tayron excels at being exactly what it needs to be, nothing more and nothing less. In a world where so many SUVs try to be sporty, rugged, and luxurious all at once, there's something refreshing about Volkswagen's focus on getting the fundamentals right. The Tayron R-Line is boring in the best possible way, and that might be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.